Here today on Equipment Deal is April 21st, 2022. We have a 1994 Peterbilt short hood 379 haul truck. It's got the 3406D model mechanical cat, and it has the 10-speed Eaton 4 and 46K rears. It has aluminum wheels on the outside, steels on the inside on the dualies tandem back there. This is a nice clean truck, lots of chrome. It's been very well restored. As you can see, this thing's in really good shape. Let's start here at the first. These tires are brand new. See how the TDs on the inside of the tires? You can see it has the aluminum steels on it. All the chrome here on the outside. Chrome battery box, as well as the chrome tanks. It also has on the outside here, it has the chrome wheels on the outside, 24/5 tires and wheels. It does have the Peterbilt airleaf suspension. The brakes, as you can see, were all replaced. I'd say they're about 95%. This rear here has been replaced. Again, on this passenger side, all these are matching aluminum polished spud wheels here. 24/5s on the tires. They all have really good tread. I mean, these are probably at least 90% tread on these. All of the rear tandems back here. Has new shocks on the rear. There again, all chrome tank. It has new hookup lines, glad hands. It does has these really nice pipes on the outside here. It is straight piped all the way back. I'm not sure if these are resonated in pipes or not. Again, it does have the aluminum wheels on the outside here. Good tread. These are both matching steers. Nice chrome polished aluminum front bumper. And a nice polished aluminum hood here. It is a short hood, if you remember this. I say the hood paint condition is probably about a 7 out of a 10. It's not bad, but it's not good. It's not the best either. It has a few paint chips and stuff here and there. Chrome headlight bezels, aluminum, HD halogen lights, or LED halogen lights. As you can see, it all works, runs, it's pretty. The engine sounds great because it's been rebuilt, no blow-by there. And we'll be selling this on Equipment Deals. If you'd like to reach out to us about purchasing this 94 Peterbilt 379, please contact us at 480-282-3319. And one of us will help you.